just wanted to give you a follow-up on and productivity update on an app I am developing using Spring 6.4.2, Oauth, Keycloak, reactive resource server, and Angular. I'm very excited about this. Basically, this update includes changes I made to add role-based authentication, which is here, and also the ability to map data to users, which basically happens here using the authentication principle. Okay, so this is really cool. Works really well. So let's give it a shot. So again, this is my UI app that I'm using, that I set up using Angular. And this is my reactive resource server using R2DBC. It's a repository. This is my service. And this is the edge service. This is my client, which basically is using Oauth2, Spring Boot 3.4.1, and Spring 6.4.2. So let me go ahead and restart this. And once we crank that up, I'll restart Edge service. And this is my gateway. So this is a microservices application, which is very cool, man. I'm really excited about this. File, new firewall. We'll go to 9,000, and this is running on 9,000, right? Okay. You can see here, we're using Keycloak, and then I'm also using a resource server, as I mentioned, and that's mapped through the gateway to the resource server, which is awesome. This is a little microservices application. Very excited about this. It's just totally overwhelmingly cool. So let's go to 9,000. So it's going to ask me to log in, and as you can see, there's nothing here. Let's log in. This user has the roles that are required to add data. So I've already added some data. We can add another vital signs record. Oops, sorry. Sorry about that. Right. I'm good reading. Keep up. Okay. So you can see that that was just added. Now let's go back. This is the cool part about this. So this gets added and mapped to the user, the user who's logged in through Keycloak. And here is the user's ID here. Access user. Oops, sorry. Is that it? Okay, here it is. Security. So here's the user ID here. Let's see if it added it to created by unless modified by. I guess this probably I could leave this out of the create record step. However, point being is we can track what data this belongs to this user using Oauth2, which is totally awesome. That is managed through the controller through the authentication principle. So I care. So if we wanted to post, right, add, we just basically pass in the JSON Web Token ID here, and it automatically adds that to the database and maps that, resulting in the data being mapped to the user. So back to the demo. So we just added this. Let's just go in and let's edit this record. Sorry. As you can see, this user has the authority to add and edit records. Good reading, keep up the good work, stay healthy. Well, oops, sorry. And exercise. Yay. So let's see, this happened here. And what time is this? This last modified on. This is 11:38. 10:30, I'm sorry. Sorry, I thought that was 21. Okay, so 10:38, so it's perfect. And if we go back, you can see here vital signs record in the database reading cables go over stay healthy. And I'm just basically logging that for now, logging the user ID for testing purposes. So this is so exciting. This is awesome. So let's go ahead and remove this. All right. We'll browse or we can refresh. It's fun. All right. And that record's gone. So CRUD, create, read, update, and delete. All right, cool. So let's log out. We have another user. He does not have the roles for CRUD operations. So let's go ahead and log in. As you can see, we've already logged out. This thing's empty. Log in, and it is Bjorn. Log in. Oops. Sorry. Yeah, that's it. Oh, sorry. And this user does not have the employee role, so no data has been added to this user, mapped to this user. No records have been added because this user doesn't have the authority to execute CRUD operations. So, as you can see, no data shows up. So we can take a peek at that real quick. Let's go here and see if I can get to it from here. Local host 8080. Sign in. Go to our realm. Users, Bjorn. Role mapping is a customer. So only users with the employee role, realm roles, employee role has the authority to exercise CRUD operations. So we'll go back to here, role mapping. You can see this has the employee role. We'll go back to security. As you can see, users with the employee role have the ability to exercise the CRUD operations. So one more time, let's go back in, let's log out. Log out works fine. There's no data here. We'll log in again with the user that has ability to update their records. So let's add one. And this is just a user interface I can use to work with the application. So hopefully, no, I will get this. I'll be working on the user interface to clean this up. Good work. That was added here. And keep up the good work. It's 1044, 1044. So let's go ahead and let's edit this. Last modified on there. That should not be coming up here. I'll have to change that in the add create record, but that's okay. But we'll go ahead and modify it again. Okay. Eat, sleep, and exercise well. And this is 10:45. 10:45, perfect. And that's it for the update. Thanks for watching.